Why does your scanner show the P0405 engine code? What does it mean? P0405 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) sensor A circuit low. This engine code indicates that the sensor is reporting a voltage reading lower than the normal operating range, which can lead to emissions issues and reduced engine performance. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EGR valve, faulty EGR sensor, wiring issues, short to ground, PCM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz, Ford, Volkswagen, and Audi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.